Things are about change, not only for me, but also for you guys on the channel. So, as some of you guys might already know, I just graduated my high school and I decided to attempt at becoming a full-time bladesmith, thanks to you guys. So, starting your own business and becoming an entrepreneur isn't the easiest choice. Let me explain you why. So, people tend to choose for the most comfortable choices in life, like going to school, having a job, like any other guy, having the same lifestyle as any other guy, doing the same stuff, watching the same television programs, all that stuff. They all fit inside of a huge box. And when you're becoming a creative entrepreneur, you're not inside of that box because people don't understand why are you doing this? Why aren't you going to university when you can? So, for the time being, I'm not going to university. I know university isn't gonna make me happier or luckier or whatever. It's only gonna bring me more money, maybe. But I don't know. I'm choosing for this life because I know this makes me happy. I know I want to work with my hands, I want to create art, all that stuff. So, that's why it isn't the easiest choice to become an entrepreneur or an artist. You have to figure it out all by yourself. If I would go to university right now, there would be a structural thing going on in my life. And from this point on, there's no structural thing going on in my life. I have to figure it out all by myself. I finally have time, but that's crazy at the same time because normally I would go to school like 5 days a week and now I just can spend all the time in the shop, and that's lots of fun, but it's also very strange at the same time because I have to get like a structural thing going on in my life, of course, because that's important to me. But I have to figure it out all by myself, and that's why it isn't the most comfortable choice. But lots of fun things are happening for me and also for you guys. Let me explain. So, of course, becoming an entrepreneur brings difficult things with it along the way. But in the end, it's so much fun because you can do in life what you want. You can be in contact with the process of creating something. You can work with your hands. You can just go completely into the process of creating a product, and that's so much, that gives you so much satisfaction, and that's what's important to me in life, and that's why I chose to do this. Yes. So this journey to becoming a full-time bladesmith and having all the time to create knives also means I have lots of time to create YouTube videos for you guys. And I decided to try a different thing with this channel. I decided to split up all my videos in parts and turn it into more of a vlog style because there are lots of things I want to tell you guys, and I feel like I don't have the ability to tell everything in under 20 minutes or 10 minutes or so. So, yeah, you guys can expect more of a vlog style. Me talking about not only knives, but also about other things in life which play around in my head and I want to share with the world. Yeah. So doing these vlogs instead of full build videos means that I can upload more frequently for you guys. And if you want to support me and help me to achieve my attempt at becoming a bladesmith and becoming a happy person, I already am a happy person, but like even more happy person, I guess. You can, of course, buy a knife, but that's totally up to yourself if you want to buy a knife. I'm not gonna tell you you have to buy a knife. If you feel like buying a knife, you can buy a knife, of course. And that of course helps because, yeah, that's worked for me. And it helps me to invest more in the company and all that stuff. But it's also really easy to help me if you don't have the funds to buy a knife, or you don't feel like buying a knife. You don't have to. You can also just share this video or share any other video I upload, because sharing the video with friends really helps to grow the community. You know, YouTube algorithm can screw things up sometimes, and sometimes videos get lots of views and sometimes they don't, and really I still don't understand why some videos get lots of views and why some don't, because I think some of the videos I'm really pleased about, some of them just have they don't have many views at all, so yeah, I don't understand. So by just sharing it, it really helps to grow the channel and to spread the word. Yeah. I'm just getting a little bit lazy because of the sun, because I'm laying right here. But we're gonna forge some Damascus. Let's stack a billet up. Let's forge some Damascus. Woo! So I forged a piece of 20 layer Damascus steel out, and it's ready to be ground, clean and cut up into several pieces to restack. I also cut up some fresh pieces of Damascus to add in between the layers of the 20 layer Damascus, just to get like the fine and bold pattern thing going on. So let's go outside and grind this thing up. So first step in forge welding is squeezing billet a little bit with a hammer. Just a few light strokes, and after that I'm using borax as a flux to lower the melting point, get rid of scale, beneath the layers, just have a cleaner weld. Not only cleaner, but it makes it also a lot easier to weld the steel. So I just flattened out the billet. It's at 108 layers right now currently, because I added 8 fresh layers and I started with 20 layers and I restacked the billet of 20 layers like 5 times and added 8 fresh pieces in it. I'm planning on restacking it 3 times, or like I'm planning on cutting it in 3 and restacking it once from now on. So I have like a billet of like 300 layers, the bold and fine pattern. But you will see that in the next episode. You will also see me manipulating the pattern a little bit in the next episode, and maybe even forging a little bit of the shape of the knife. So be sure to check the next episode, subscribe for more, all that stuff. Thanks for watching.